The latest iOS update is a music lover's dream come true. iOS 26.1 has just dropped, and it's bringing an exciting expansion to the Apple Music app's functionality. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. The update is all about enhancing your music listening experience, especially when it comes to smooth song transitions. The star of the show is the AutoMix feature, which transforms your music library into a DJ's paradise. It seamlessly blends one song into the next, matching beats and stretching time to create a continuous flow. Imagine having your own personal DJ in your pocket. But here's the catch. While some users rave about AutoMix, others have mixed feelings. It's a feature that divides opinions. And that's where the controversy begins. With iOS 26, Apple Music users were introduced to AutoMix, but it was limited to specific scenarios. However, iOS 26.1 takes it to the next level by enabling AutoMix to work with AirPlay. Now, you can enjoy seamless song transitions, not just on your AirPods or iPhone speakers, but also on your HomePod speakers and other AirPlay-enabled devices throughout your home. This upgrade is a game changer for those who love their music to flow uninterrupted. But it's not without its quirks. Some users have noticed that AutoMix occasionally ends tracks sooner than expected, which can be a minor annoyance. And for those with HomePods, the wait for native AutoMix support has been a long one, only recently addressed with the HomePod 26 software update. So, what's the verdict? Is AutoMix a hit or miss? Well, it depends on who you ask. Some users find it a delightful addition, while others have varying opinions. And that's the beauty of iOS updates. They spark conversations and debates among users. If you're an Apple Music enthusiast, you'll want to dive into this update and explore the new AutoMix capabilities. And don't forget to check out the iOS 26.1's other hidden gem, a convenient swipe gesture for quick track changes. What's your take on AutoMix? Love it or leave it? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's get the conversation going. And while you're at it, consider upgrading your music experience with some of the best iPhone accessories, like the AirPods Pro 3 or the MagSafe car mount, for an even more immersive audio journey.